Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Like that, let's regard. You know, our two princesses when it come for Edo State, you know, say if something done too much, it not good for eye again. It's not good for eye. They represent one they represent now for Edo State. Nobody say una. And truth no say make them not talk. If I still talk and I don't say lovely, oh, you don't start again, lovely. This one no be saga. I know fed they get the time when I think they do saga. And they always do video, make my sense come on for there. You know. Two of they represented those states. They represent one they represented those states. It no make sense. Yeah? And the fact they talk, I will just sit down. Edo State. Make why be say if they do something, they'll say, oh, if you see two ladies, they are from Edo State. If na Homa Jeep, una go they buy, they go give our kings now. We go no say yes, person go they respect una. Say na Homa Jeep. They'll say, hey, when you reach palace, you get some two ladies. If you see them, they be ancestors of Edo State. If you see how Homa Jeep when they carry come, they will say, one carry Homa Jeep go Edo Benio, one pack every palace, and the second one carry Homa Jeep go Ishan land. He pack am for palace for Ishan land. If una they talk, we no say una they talk. This is getting too much. One of our brother is late. I don't know why una they fight for person when he late. Nobody they take person life. Nobody. Somebody go come and go say, now me taking life. Even he say true, say you get the power when they take person life. If you take one, take two, take three, you yourself go know say you go run for come on for the juju, because one day the juju go still take your life. This one come they boast for us, say una get power, una they seize people breath, una they keep people, una they do this one. Me I don't understand though. Even the other time when they say they go kill me, I no go reach this year no go reach, you go die. As they talk and reach, lovely, see they look, see they see everything when God creates. I beg, that our brother late. Now God, now you know waiting happen when that our brother late. Now only God know waiting happen. The juju one they serve and well. One of they serve and well. I don't know the kind juju one they serve. The juju one they serve now, so now they use until they keep person. I don't know. One of they serve the juju well. May anybody know they boast of juju? This one will come. The juju, I will use my juju take kill you. I beg. My two sister. It don't do. If they will come sit down say, una can't use chest sit down, they disgrace us. They disgrace those states. It's not good for IK. Yeah. But una sit down. Una video na they look, huh? You are welcome, man. May I use cloth to cover my toto because I know wear pants. Because this one now, when they will say, see lovely toto. You know, this one go come. You go say you get power. I go tell you, say I come for inside river. The second one go come. You go say he get power. He come for inside river. This matter, one of the talk so. The other time, one of our sister when they Germany do video, they say this matter, two people use and take fight. Two of our brother use and take fight. One for Bini, one for Ishan. They can't say the Ishan, he dey coma. Can't reach today now. Whether the boy they alive now, nobody know. Okay, our brother go Nigeria that day. He die. Nobody know wetin kill him. Even he say na me kill person self, the person die. I no go come and talk say na me kill him. I no go come and say na me kill him. Now we be say if somebody die, una go talk say no na kill the person. Be say for example, say if no be this live video when be say una they make noise. Say for ground, say somebody go die for ground. You go talk say na you kill this person. You know say police will come arrest you. That time you're gonna say no matter use and ghetto. I don't care anybody. No matter now use and ghetto. I use and get man no be me kill am. No matter use and ghetto. You know see No una leave this matter. I don't know the fight una they fight. I don't know the fight una they fight. I bet the two princess of Edo State. It don't do. It don't do more than leave this matter. I don't know why they go come talk say Biafra. Biafra people, they know they saga themselves like that. Even Biafra know they saga their community like that. As Biafra people do reach, Anambra no saga Owerri. Owerri no saga Imo. Imo no saga wetu na Akwa Ibo. Akwa Ibo no saga this. They don't use and take saga themselves. They use and say they need freedom. And when Igbo they saga that this thing now, they need freedom. Now our president they tell us say they need freedom. They no use and take saga and say why it could be say una carry Biafra now. People when get Biafra they don't live on for una. Igbo men when they fight, really Igbo men, mighty Igbo men when they fight for Biafra. All of them don't leave Biafra, they don't enter house. Now Edo State now can't carry Biafra. Can't they say this one na Bini Biafra, this one na Ishan Biafra, this one na Bini Biafra, this one na Ishan Biafra. Our Edo, as our Edo State big rich, big. Or no that they know if he go carry or no that state he can't add Jonah when be say he know they inside Edo State before. There is no need. You don't ever see where they carry one village or go carry one village come for inside another village you come carry and come say they want put on for the village where you want day. Now you get the land where you want put the village. It's just like now you just carry house put for head they come. You just reach one land you just put the house for there. Person when you get the land go tell you say come I bet carry your house come on for here. This one on my land. Even people when they sleep all computed building. People when they get the all computed building. Person will still go tell they say my brother your computed building. People don't they live for that house so. The person will get your computed building will go meet them say I bet more come on for my house. Una tell me before I start to they live for here. No. Now, why is it that? Una they always they like to they disgrace us. Now always they like to they disgrace Edo State. Our brother when he late. Una not let his spirit rest. Una not let our brother spirit rest. It don't do. Una leave that man alone. Una leave that man to rest in peace. If una want to they insult una say, Mona remove Edo State. Remove the man when he die. Mona remove him. If una want to they fight una say, Mona they do saga. Una feel they fight una say, una feel they say now una get power pass una get this thing. People when you get this ogbanje when they talk so, when they get this ogbanje. If you tell them say come hold something for ogbanje, say they'll tell you say I know they do because you don't know where you want do and reach. If you just waka now, if you even leave and for house come out. I don't understand you now. How can two lady if princess from Benin that princess what did they call her princess Obaname. If princess Obaname that one go come out, he go talk. The second princess of Fishan, he go talk. So if the real ancestors of Edo State come to give una power, they give una power say no una use and take scatter the Edo State. I don't see anybody now when you go come talk say they join this one and they join this one. I know they join anybody. I beg our two princess people they will be say Ogbanje 7 days they go dey inside bed. They know they wake up. They will just dey there. Where they lie down, put now there, they'll go they pack native chalk. Now native chalk now go be food. 7 days, you no go drink water, you no go chop. Una go sit down if una don't chop at the down finish, una don't eat finish. Use one beer, take step down. Now come they talk say now they control juju way there those state. Oma no gene boy ya toa. Person when get juju, they use until they shout. I bet my sisters, it don't do. Obi aba, one sano ribo. My sister from Ishan. I waka this afternoon. I can't meet your live video. Your anger is too much. Please reduce it. When see worry or too much igbe. I worry hoke rete mi rebe. They know they use anger to talk something. I don't understand. Like if you with somebody they quarrel, face that person, no face other people. Like see Mama Akin, I beg, you don't do. Because today now when I see say that our sister, when he did live video today, I just reached there, I just see say she dey play your live video. You know saying they play your live video. It's like una dey use live video till they provoke una self. If una continue on like this, it no go good. It no go good. Maybe that one now, maybe as that princess now, use your live video now till they analyze. They something they provoke am for there. Now so you see go now so whether they call that mama. Now so the mama go see carry on. You can't see go there analyze. I don't do. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand. This one go say Igbo dey inside Benin. Na Igbo na from Igbo na Edo State. There is no way Igbo can be Edo State. It no dey possible. Igbo get their boundary. Igbo get where their boundary reach. If you don't dey waka comot for inside Ishan, boundary dey. Even Igbo cannot drag Agbo. Igbo no fit talk say they want carry Agbo join themselves. Agbo no go gree. Talk like say na Ishan go come gree. Even if say Ishan people now go say that they pack go Igbo. Igbo no go gree. Even if say Igbo people now talk say that they pack they come Ishan. Ishan no go gree. But if Ishan said that they pack come Bini, Bini go gree. If Bini said that they pack they come Ishan, Ishan go gree because they be brothers and sisters. No matter, now every day they talk. We be brothers and sisters. No matter how we go fight reach, we cannot change it. Ishan marry Bini, Bini marry Ishan. Now so we come waka come meet, come reach today. But if they want talk, they will say, now they fight ourselves. Ishan with Bini, we just be like tongue and teeth for inside mouth. If we fight finish, nobody they settle us. Now we see, hey, my sister, you still they quarrel. My sister, you still they quarrel. This one they go, they bring Igbo, they carry, they come. You know, make sense about my two sisters. It don't do. Make una find another thing do. Because what they talk now, and many people when they do live video now, that they look una. Before you go know now, you can't see say now live video presenter now go come the saga because as for now live video presenter now no topic. The next time now na topic these two princess. Please, is enough. Now here you don't do. I will talk say this doing well, you doing well. No. Because if they look two of now, two of you guys are mature. Beautiful women. See as una sit down for ground. Una you chest sit down for ground. Una me robo. Una me kuru. Una fine well. If person click enter inside una platform now, they'll say wetin dey happen. They'll say una dey fight. If they say wetin una dey fight for, wetin una want talk. una matter they make me dey laugh sometimes. So, I bet two princess. It don't do. We know say 12 na princess. If na say may day dark, they go dark. If na say may day break, they go break. If na say may rain fall, rain go dey fall. If na say may thunder they spark, thunder go dey spark. But I use God take beg una. It don't do. Our brother when he die, when God call, Mona leave the man. If when the man dey now say, if as una dey quarrel, now the man will say, oh, these people don't know life. As una dey quarrel, now the man will say, oh, may God forgive you people. Now no life. Now make una dey quarrel. Nobody feel. I not come your house. You not put poison for my food, make I chop. You not put poison for my food, make I chop. How you want to kill me? And the reason now, you say I want go kill you. I want carry your picture. I want to go kill you. How? Now all picture that they carry. Wait till they feel say if you go fit take kill me, maybe where they pass, if you put juju for there, I feel see jump pass. Now only poison for food. Now person know they jump pass. If they ever put juju for grant, say if you match another native daughter go return her back. You see, another native daughter go return the juju back. Now he say that they see native doctor wey wicked, then they see the one wey be say e no wicked. They go say they fight for Mama Lovely. My root now. This something not tire you. Yeah. The Biafra when they come with Biafra since when they carry Uncle Nnamdi. All the old Biafra, all of them don't rest. Nah, those states now they go carry Biafra. Eh? I don't really understand. Like somebody now, if you be native doctor, you put the time. I don't feel talking for live video. You get one man that year when small. The man they throw native bullet to Tagba. If the man they come, everybody go they run. Me I no believe say the man go fit use that Tagba to harm me. But as the man come pass finish, as small pikin says, because he say be like say something do me for body one kind. As the man they go house, now follow and go house. As he reach house, he say, I not be you, I see just now they play for exercise. And I say, yes. I say, Baba, I say, they say if you pass person go begin to the sick. That thing when they say you throw for me. I bet if you throw for me, let me come out for my body. He say, I sit down for God. I say, if you know say you do, he say, now wow. He say, Bieka. He say, Yohan. He say, my pikin, I know they throw anything. Now people mouth. Once people don't talk something, people will begin to the blow on for rumor. He said, my pikin go house. He can't use hand to rub my head. I said, no, they tell you, say, me come on something. You still they put for my head. He say, oh, my pikin, go house. Now fear that they use until they put for my body. Now fear. He say, okay, how many people now, since when they pass, how many people don't die? I say, I don't know. You see, huh? Some people go say, I go kill you. My guy or my woman or my friend or my lady or whatsoever, if I don't reach your house, come eat, you don't go fit kill me. If native doctor put something for ground, you match am. Another native doctor get medicine when you go take cure the sickness. Now only poison once it don't enter belly, because belly be like something wey be like white. You pour black something put for white, it don't spoil be that. No matter how you go wash and reach, now so belly be. When you eat something poison, sometimes if there is some food when you go eat, sometimes you go purge you. But poison no deal, your belly no need that, you go purge you. Now only poison I will say you carry poison put for my food, I chop am. You feel use and kill me. No be say you they use man take the thought say I will kill you, I will do you this one. I beg. My two sisters, it don't do. Now here I beg. Make una change topic. Make una find another thing they do. People want to fight Biafra. Since when they carry on Nnamdi, they don't enter house. Now can't use check they sit down now. Don't say Shambo na go meet Biafra. Some people say Biafra na go meet Bini. Some people Biafra go even talk say make una dey una own. Now they look comment. Even Biafra they write put for na comment say make una know they use Biafra till they do saga again. Because una know they say I bet you people should stop using saga Biafra to do saga. It's enough, please. People they fight for people. Yeah. I don't understand. Two of them are just there. Okay, if they can say where you for corner, they'll say only Nabini. They'll say the second one, they'll say only Oviesan. If you marry any tribe, say you be woman, say you marry any tribe. Even if say the tribe with another person they fight, say you marry that tribe. Just remove your mouth, say abe, because I married this tribe now. No one say na my mouth, now they'll come here inside. You don't do. I just got beg una. Our brother won't be say that me una let. You know if you concern now, na matter no if you concern now. Everybody pay. That he pay everybody. Say somebody when you no sick, you pay everybody. If you get juju, your juju use and wear. Your juju use and wear. If you not use your juju wear, your juju can cause problem to yourself. You when they servant. And he says that time you go see say you reach where native doctor dey. They'll say the native doctor he die on top of his shrine. Maybe because you know use the shrine well. Maybe they use the shrine till they do evil. I bet my two sisters more na enter house. You know, now Facebook now they show na power. Facebook na life wey dey Facebook na fake. If una true two of una, the two princess from Edo State, if two of una true talk say una get power, abeg, mona buy ticket go Nigeria, mona stay for Ring Road. They'll say this is princess from Ishan, this is princess from Benin. Mona stay for Ring Road. Make una dey show una power. Now we will not say yes una get power, not because stay Facebook. They say Benin o Ishan, Benin o Ishan, Edo State Ishan, Benin o Ishan, Benin o Ishan. Man, my people, it don't do. It don't do. Now that message I want to give them, because nobody want tell them say don't do. Now me can't say the small power, because I want to go chop so. The small power when I see gonna not see the way when I take the talk small because I never chop. The one when I don't chop since it don't expire. I want to go chop another one again when I want to sleep. You see, I use God beg una. Two princess, look na enter house. So these two princess now, I will say now one papa na una can get now, one king na both of una. Una can dey disgrace una palace. You people, you be disgracing your palace. How can two princesses? Before now one start to dey disgrace us or Edo State or una go remove princess, come off on her name. Una put name. Madam. If everybody does say madam enter house, not be say princess enter, because you can never say me princess enter house, because princess na king children, na princess be. Madam, you madam enter house, you madam enter house, or mama na enter house. Yeah, wa to tell you why you robo. Now you sit down now fine. If they can't click enter yourself on a platform, I will tell you say I confess a river. I will tell you say my river they carry fire. I will tell you say I be here. I will say my heat they spark fire. I will tell you say I be tree. I will tell you say the tree they blow whistle. I beg you, now enter house. I rest my case. About my two sisters, that is too much. I say make I come see Chukuma to put you there laugh. You not good like that. No, she not supposed to talk like that. She not supposed to talk. The man, what did the man do you when? You can kill her. Oh, yeah, buy you work boy, you know, say Facebook for that. Some people go call. If there is some people talk for Facebook, so that you yourself go say these people get power. They don't get power. The other time that year, when Grace they say he go make me run mad, he go blind me, he go deport me to Nigeria. Not be Europe. I see that too. I blind. He go make me run mad. I run mad. People can't believe and say Grace to get power when want to make me run mad, or when want to blind me, or when want to deport me go house. But Grace was just saying all those things, make people believe her. I mean, no say nobody fit do me something, you know. But you know good. Even if say me I get power to keep person, if I kill and finish, you know, I think I will talk say na me kill her. I know talk say na me kill her more. Native doctor not they talk say even if say native doctor give you juju, say may you go take harm person. Before native doctor go give you that juju, he go give you another juju swear. He go say swear this juju. If you tell them say na me give you this concussion, may you take kill this person. As you dey open your mouth, they talk and so you take die. You go swear the juju. Native doctor cannot tell you say na me kill her. Even which when they keep people they chop, you they say confess. In which they agree confess. If you they ask when say confess, you go they tell you another thing. You go they tell you another thing. When I will come they say na so na get power na the key. I beg go with the one no come kill us. So no say we want they do live video. Our mouth no good sometimes. Maybe tomorrow now if you go drive rubbish now, una come say una want kill me for where? Me I not believe all those things. I might believe. Igbagba me metie na. I wa yaga totati na me kill you. I kill you. You go rise up, and when you rise up, I'll kill you again. You rise up 5 times. I kill you 5 times. Nobody is island. Bamare with him. Now if fight tomorrow finish. Now tomorrow now come see settle again. That is it. We said no, two princess, please. You people should let Edo State get peace. I use God beg una. Una know the repair and scatter una the scatter. If this one throw mouth go give palace for Benin, you see throw mouth go give palace for Ishan land. na the two palace, na the palace, all the palace wey there those state, now na the disgrace. As I dey here, na no fit you sit down now, go dey throw mat, they go give palace for Benin. Where for throw mat, go give palace for Benin. Now there I see throw mat, go give palace for Ishan. You know, see, yes, because now the same traditional rulers, now they be. Now so, you both have to be careful. Now they do. Nobody say on a message. Nobody, now they fight for anybody. Now they fight for anybody. You people, you are just showing, I don't know, I don't want to use that language now. They'll say, lovely, they insult now. No, I don't want to insult now because I don't want they talk all those talk of abuse. It's not good. They disgrace at those states. Yes, they disgrace at those states. Please. If there is a me they can't talk and say, me will talk. You don't ever see where woman he go tear cola. Where men go stand put woman will tear cola. If men sit down, you don't ever see say woman go sit down near and they will break cola. Woman they break cola. You don't ever see where woman don't put to drink for men cup. Now men, now they break cola. Now men, now they put drink for men cup. Woman, now just you don't cook finish. You say yes. They will see same some young boy come. Yeah, go check out whether they don't cook. They cook finish now. They go see come servant. They go bring a con. They'll say serve the food. Women no get waiting that they talk for tradition. Even woman when be say chief self that they give some women chief. Even he say that they do something, he go sit down, no go talk. He no go talk. Where that woman will be chief, where for they talk, now for where women dey, now for they talk, not be where men dey. People should is enough. I don't know waiting who now they fight for. Really, who now they fight for? Who? They ask you now who you they fight for. You say they fight for Ishan. They ask you now, they say they fight for. You say they fight for Bini. They say now, Agbebeguwa. They write the letter for now, say na come fight for Ishan Bini. It's enough. And he say, I don't really understand. It's not making sense anymore. It's like two women on a day. You don't good the gay. I don't say if I talk and finish now can't see attack me, but I not did that area again. Me, I don't click on all. My analyzer still go. I will still they analyze. You don't do that is only what I will said. I know carry that one come the insult. I'll carry this one come the insult. Awe I gbo kaninya, I gbinya no ka eva yahin. The two of them are food. You people should stop it. Enough is enough. If they really talk and say me they there now if they true carry na matana say they want really carry and go say they want. If they want talk na matana, these two of una, no be palace they want talk na mata. Our Dion way now they want talk na mata. The village one for come. Now there they go settle na mata. They go say message say which village for come. Go say see the village. They say go take the of John Wele of that village. May go meet that princess. Papa say may remove hand for king's matter. They'll say you call. They'll say okay go that village. Go tell the second princess. Make them when go tell parents say may remove mat for king's matter. But now they I don't understand. Now so now say okay the Igbo people now wanna they say this one a Biafra now they join Igbo, this one they fight it shall not be Biafra, now they fight it shall not Biafra, it shall not be Biafra. How many Igbo now? Igbo king now? Una take they do saga now the way una take they do saga. How many state for Igbo now? Una they insult the way una take they insulted those states. Did you see any state for Igbo now when una they insult? As soon as they talk say Biafra dey side Bini dey side Biafra dey side Ishan dey side Biafra. How many Igbo now, king of Igbo now when una dey insult no dey. And the big one don't start to bring king, Igbo king now, they insult them. Now see say Igbo now go they insult audio at those states. Because all these those states women mo na enter house. That they no come to say all these Ishan women mo na enter house or all these Bini women mo na enter house. They go say all these those state women mo na enter house. This is ridiculous. Yeah? People wanna they fight for now their king Nobody they knew where their king they bet now they use on king they put for live video. A message to this one, message to this one, message to Obaname, message to Huname, message to Oguname, message to this one. People when get juju, they know they use until they make noise like this. People should sit down. Una bye bye. Una good night. May I go find something to people don't want to believe I am because she know the anything people no say she they lie. From room for Europe. Princess, that they room for Europe, they shall. Princess, they want room for Europe. That they shall not mind them. Stupid, set up, useless women. She say, now I don't feel it down. Now so, what the comment? The comment get the way they bounce. Yeah. Waiting be their Facebook name. You say waiting be their Facebook name. I don't know what be their Facebook name. I just enter Facebook. I just see and say they just the something just be this our sister when well only yes carry your mind down. Robot swohoy. You don't do please. You don't do. Only me. Anyway. Now bye bye.